All right, we're out in the waterfront of Ramsey. The reason it's called the waterfront is you've got a lovely man-made lake right over there. We're close to the core in Ramsey. We're going to just take a walk through this floor plan we call the Terrace. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, 2-car garage on the back side of the home. You can see the stairs going up. We've got a living room with a great view, dining room, kitchen with a huge center island. The kitchen and the bathrooms upstairs all have quartz countertops. And then back here off the garage, we've got a nice mudroom, closet, half bath. Got a little pantry off the kitchen. And then upstairs, we've got the hallway to the primary suite. And then down here to the bedrooms. So we'll start at the back of the home. Got a nice walk-in closet in this bedroom. And we've got the laundry room. The 3rd bedroom, again, walk-in closet, full bath, granite countertops. 2nd bedroom, mechanical room, and storage. And then the primary suite. I can imagine waking up to this view every morning. We've also got transom windows, which obviously allow in a little more natural light, but yet maintain your privacy. So the primary bath and primary walk-in closet. So this home sells for $359,900. We do have some great buyer incentives, so come on out and take a look.